Leslie Odom Jr., born on August 6, 1981, in Queens, New York, is an actor and singer whose talent has propelled him to international fame. Growing up in Philadelphia, Odom developed a passion for performing at a young age, studying musical theater at Carnegie Mellon University. His big break came on Broadway, where he debuted in the musical Rent at just 17 years old, marking the beginning of a remarkable career on stage and screen. Odom's most significant success came in 2015 when he originated the role of Aaron Burr in the groundbreaking musical Hamilton. His performance as the complex and ambitious Burr was a standout in a show that became a cultural phenomenon, blending hip-hop with American history. For his portrayal, Odom won the Tony Award for Best Actor in a Musical and a Grammy Award as a principal soloist on the cast recording. His work in Hamilton not only made him a household name, but also solidified his place as one of the most talented and versatile performers of his generation. Beyond the stage, Odom has built a successful career in film, television, and music. He has appeared in films such as Murder on the Orient Express, 2017, and Harriet, 2019, where he continued to demonstrate his range as an actor. In 2020, he portrayed Sam Cooke in the critically acclaimed film One Night in Miami, a role that earned him an Academy Award nomination for Best Supporting Actor. His portrayal of the legendary singer was praised for its depth and nuance, further establishing Odom as a force in Hollywood. In addition to his acting achievements, Odom has released several albums as a solo artist, showcasing his smooth vocals and jazz influences. His debut album, Leslie Odom Jr., was well received, and he continues to impress with his musical versatility. Leslie Odom Jr.'s journey from Broadway to Hollywood is a testament to his immense talent, hard work, and dedication to his craft. Thank you for watching the video. You have heard the story of a legendary person who will forever remain in our memory. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss new videos.